Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe, and when you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because when you do hit the notification bell, when there is a new video out, YouTube will notify you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back. And today I will be doing a simple everyday eyeshadow using the Ace Beaute. It is the Flair palette. Today I am using the color Saffron and Aubergine. Hope I said that right. This is what the color looks like. These are the two colors I'll be using today. I'm using a Morphe brush. It has no name. I need a little glitter glue. Let me do my brows. My brows. I did my brows. My brows are always looking different. They don't always look the same. Sometimes not even close. I am not quite sure what to do, so I just do them the best way I know how, the way that's good for me. It works for me. That's it. Now let us finish the eyes. I'm gonna use the glitter glue again because I need more color. More color. So, oh, maybe I should use this one. Okay, more color. Put a little bit of mirage. Let us work that mirage in. It's very pretty. I'm not sure why it's not showing. I'm putting glitter glue on top of that color because I need to put a glitter color over it. It's pretty. And then in the outer corner I will dip it. Earring time. Me and these earrings. These are new earrings. We are having a time of our life here. So the only thing left is for us to do lipstick and a little bit in the tear duct. I have my blush on. The rest of the eyes is done. So we are going to do lips. Yeah, we'll do lips first. line my lips. Eyeliner needs sharpening. I have a couple lipstick I pick. I picked 2 lipsticks. No, I picked 3 lipsticks. I don't know which one to use. I have this one. This one, which is red. And this one, which is vamp. I'm feeling vamp. Let us do vamp. Did I pick the right color? The color vamp. Feeling this color, not yet. Okay, in the palette we are going to do, I'll change this lipstick color. Tear duct. What do I want in the tear duct? Tough. Okay, I'll try Firefly. Right? I think that's a good choice. I have never matching anything before. I see something, that's it. It's like I like it, I like it. I don't look for match like how people match their bra and their this or their shoe and their, I don't. I just see a color I like and I do it. So that's what it is. I'm not feeling vamp lipstick at all, I think. Firefly. Okay, I took vamp off. We are going to try another lipstick. I wasn't feeling vamp. So we're gonna try the red one. This is the red one. I'm not feeling this lipstick today. Why? This is the red lipstick. The red lipstick, I'm not feeling this one either. I'm gonna change it. It doesn't make it pop. I want the whole look to pop. So, I'll be back. Okay, we're back and I'm gonna try for the last time. Last lipstick. This is JUVIA'S Place, the Peach Nude. Because none of the other lipstick are like giving me any life, so we'll try this one. I don't know. Today the lipsticks are just not working with me. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna change my blush. This is so crazy. Okay, let's see. Changing my blush because I just feel a little washed out, so with that first blush, so I'm gonna change that. And a bit more life. A little bit more life. Okay, on the lipstick, I put a little pink lipstick over that peach, and I dip my blush a little bit, and that's it. I am feeling this. This is much, much better. This is today's simple, everyday eyeshadow look. I use saffron on my lid and I put Mirage over it because Mirage is a glitter, and then Aubergine, it's in my crease, and then Mulberry is in my brow bone. In my tear duct I put Firefly. I love the little palette, the Beaute palette. I am loving these colors, are like calling my name. I always like the colors, but the lip has just fallen in place. I think the lip was missing something. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. It's Beauty is beautiful. I love It's Beauty. Yeah. Please share my videos. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell because you will be notified when a new video is out. That's how YouTube sends you video. If you just subscribe and you don't hit the notification bell, you might never get a video. But if you subscribe and you hit the notification bell, they will send you a video. And when you get the video and you watch it, share it with somebody else. I appreciate that. I appreciate your view. I appreciate your time that you take to view my videos. Life is simple. Life goes by quickly. Let us all try to enjoy the best way we know how. Please stay encouraged. Please don't give up. Tomorrow always turns out to be better. Again, I love you. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember self first. Love self plenty. Take care of self, and I will see you in another video. Simple eyeshadow look. Bye. Adios. Au revoir. Have fun, have fun, have fun.